Hello my great people, my name is Matthew Adama aka Bassmatics, and I want to welcome you to Bassmatics Bass World, where your life changes forever. Today I'm going to be doing some Afro-pop and some simple bass lines to accompany Afro-pop music. Stay tuned and enjoy. Yeah, I'll play a beat and then vibe to it. Afterward, I'm going to break it down and show you guys how to find your bounce when you're playing Afro-pop, how to block the beats. You're not going to be playing too much, but you find out signature bass line that will go with the music, with the beat. Yeah, it's very easy, very simple. And if you've not subscribed to the channel yet, please do that and turn on your notification, because I have a whole new package coming for you guys, and don't miss any episode. Thank you for subscribing. So let's get straight to it now. Yeah, I'll play the beat right away and jump to it. Yeah, so I'm going to be playing on key F sharp. So since my bass is tuned downwards, instead of here, F sharp is going to be here. And I'm going to be playing on the progression of 6, 2, 3. That's La, Re, Mi, La, Re, Mi. So that's the progression I'm going to be playing this Afro-pop music on. Then I'll break it down. Alright, enjoy. Yeah, so what I'm simply doing is Sol, la, la, Sol, la, ti, do, la, do, re, 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 fa, mi. Every other thing I'm doing is ghost notes, like then I just do feelings, like this all these feelings. I can decide to use something else. So basically, all you need to do is memorize the progression in your mind and feeling. 6, 2, 3. So so let me make it really slow. Hope you understand. So hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you learned something great today. Keep subscribing and more tutorials coming your way real shortly. I love you. Bye.